Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your emails not coming to you on iPhone. So first and foremost, the most common thing is you don't have internet connection. Sometimes even if you're connected to Wi-Fi, that Wi-Fi may have no internet connection. So just try going to any website and see if that has internet access. If it does, but still you don't get any emails, then most probably it's a different issue. But if you can't go into any website because it doesn't load, then you don't have internet. Now, sometimes mail may not be set to fetch automatically, and that may make you not receive notifications about email. So go to settings, then go to apps at the bottom and go to mail. Now, make sure that your mail is set to, hold on a second. Well, I believe it should be there. Yeah, hold on a second. Gotta make sure. Okay, so maybe it's not just, okay, yeah, there was fetch new data. And there's automatically, so yeah, it's gonna do it automatically. I'm gonna show you again how to do it. In mail accounts, find fetch new data, then and then you can set it to automatically, manually, hourly, every 30 minutes or every 15 minutes. Automatically it's gonna do it all the time. But even if you set it to manually, whatever, if you go to mail, then you can simply just go to the page of mail and slide down from the top of the screen like that, so it fetches new emails. Right? Now let's do the next thing, which is making sure that you don't have a low power mode enabled. Low power mode will fetch emails only every 30 minutes. So if you go to battery, you'll find low power mode. If it's enabled, then it's gonna fetch emails just every 30 minutes instead of automatically all the time. Whenever a new email pops up, so that may cause you not receive emails on time. Now, incorrect login or password. If you've changed the password for your email, or sometimes you don't even need to change it, sometimes just the email providers log out automatically. Like I had it happen with Outlook email. When I had Outlook email, then it would log me out, and you can simply go to apps, go to mail, then go to mail accounts, and for example for Gmail, there will be a button to re-enter the password if it was logged out, so make sure that's done. Also make sure that mail is enabled here. Now let's do the next thing, which is checking your iPhone and iCloud storage. First, iPhone, if you are using a different mail provider than iCloud, make sure that on your iPhone, in the storage, in general, in iPhone storage, there is enough storage for new emails to get stored on your iPhone. They get stored temporarily, but they just need to get stored somewhere, so you can actually see them. And if you are using an iCloud.com email, then make sure that on your account, once you click on it on the top on the settings, If you go to iCloud, you can see mine is almost full, which means that, well, I may not receive emails because there may be not enough space for them. But now if I go to saved to iCloud, I can go to like iCloud Photos, iCloud Drive, maybe move some of these things to my iPhone locally instead of having them in the iCloud, so I can free up the iCloud space for my emails. Now, there are also sometimes maybe temporary outages of Gmail, Outlook, or iCloud, or any other mail provider, and you can do nothing about it. You just need to wait until the problem gets fixed. Also, there's a chance that you may have outdated iOS version, so you may need to update your system by going to General, Software Update, and making sure that, in my case, there is an update available, so I should click on Update now. If you don't have any updates, then you don't need to do anything, but if you have any, then update your system. And the last thing is maybe your notifications are off and you just think you don't have any new emails, so you may need to go to notifications, then make sure that for your mail app the notifications are on. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.